If your pet is scratching more than usual, you might be wondering, is this normal or is something seriously wrong? The truth is simple. Scratching can be normal, but it can also be the first sign of fleas, allergies, skin irritation, dryness, or even stress. Let's break down what's normal, what's not, and how to tell the difference quickly. Itching is a common behavior observed in both cats and dogs, often seen as routine scratching or grooming. However, it's important to recognize when this behavior shifts from normal to excessive, as it may indicate an underlying health issue. Persistent or intense scratching can be a sign of allergies, parasites, or skin conditions that require attention. By understanding the difference between typical grooming and problematic itching, pet owners can better support their animals' well-being. Early detection of abnormal scratching can lead to timely intervention and improved quality of life for pets. Itching is a common behavior in pets and is usually considered normal when it occurs occasionally. Most animals will scratch themselves from time to time as a way to relieve minor irritations or to groom their fur. Normal itching typically does not interfere with daily activities and is not accompanied by other symptoms such as redness, hair loss, or sores. If your pet scratches only sporadically and appears comfortable otherwise, this is generally not a cause for concern. Understanding what is typical can help pet owners recognize when itching might signal a deeper issue. Fleas are the most frequent culprit behind sudden itching in pets. These tiny parasites can cause intense discomfort, leading to scratching, biting, and even hair loss. Common signs of a flea infestation include red, irritated skin, the presence of flea dirt, and visible fleas moving through the fur. To address this issue, it's important to use veterinarian-approved flea treatments and thoroughly clean your pet's environment. Regular grooming and preventive measures can help keep fleas at bay and ensure your pet remains comfortable and itch-free. Food allergies can develop gradually over time, often beginning with mild reactions that become more noticeable as exposure continues. Common symptoms include itching, swelling, digestive discomfort, and in some cases, respiratory issues. Recognizing these signs early is important for effective management. Dietary adjustments, such as eliminating trigger foods and reading ingredient labels carefully, play a crucial role in preventing allergic reactions. Consulting with healthcare professionals can help create a personalized plan to safely navigate food choices. Environmental allergies are triggered by substances like pollen, dust, and grass, which are commonly found in our surroundings. These allergens can cause symptoms such as sneezing, itchy eyes, and congestion, especially during certain times of the year. For example, pollen allergies tend to peak in the spring and fall, while dust and grass allergies may persist year-round or intensify during dry, windy conditions. Practical remedies include using air purifiers indoors, keeping windows closed during high pollen seasons, and regularly washing bedding to reduce dust exposure. Over-the-counter antihistamines and nasal sprays can also help manage symptoms effectively. Dry skin is a common yet often overlooked cause of mild itching in both pets and people. When the skin lacks sufficient moisture, it can become flaky, tight, and uncomfortable, leading to persistent scratching. To improve skin hydration, regular moisturizing and the use of gentle, hydrating shampoos are recommended. Ensuring a balanced diet rich in essential fatty acids can also promote healthier skin and a shinier coat. Simple changes in daily care routines can make a noticeable difference in comfort and overall skin health. Beyond fleas, pets are also at risk from other parasites like mites and ticks. Mites can cause skin irritation, hair loss, and intense itching, while ticks may transmit serious diseases such as Lyme disease and ehrlichiosis. Symptoms of infestation often include scratching, redness, and visible parasites on the skin or in the ears. Prompt veterinary care is essential for accurate diagnosis and effective treatment. Preventive measures, including regular checkups and parasite control products, play a crucial role in keeping pets healthy and comfortable. Skin infections are commonly caused by bacteria or fungi, each presenting with distinct symptoms. Bacterial infections often result in redness, swelling, warmth, and sometimes pus-filled lesions, while fungal infections typically appear as itchy, scaly, or ring-shaped patches. Recognizing these signs early is important, as untreated infections can worsen or spread. Effective treatment usually requires medicated creams or oral medications prescribed by a healthcare professional. Prompt intervention not only relieves discomfort but also helps prevent complications and transmission to others. Stress and boredom are often overlooked factors that can lead to excessive grooming and itching in cats. When a cat feels anxious or lacks stimulation, it may resort to repetitive grooming behaviors as a way to cope. Over time, this can result in irritated skin or even bald patches. Addressing these issues involves enriching the cat's environment with toys, interactive play, and opportunities for exploration. Providing a predictable routine and safe spaces can also help reduce stress, leading to healthier grooming habits. While itching is a common issue for pets, there are certain signs that indicate it may be an emergency. If your pet is scratching so intensely that it causes bleeding, swelling, or open wounds, immediate veterinary attention is necessary. Sudden onset of severe itching, especially when accompanied by symptoms like difficulty breathing, vomiting, or facial swelling, could signal a serious allergic reaction. Persistent scratching that leads to rapid hair loss or changes in behavior should also be evaluated by a professional. Recognizing these warning signs can help ensure your pet receives prompt and appropriate care. When your pet starts itching, it's important to offer immediate comfort while you look for the root cause. Begin by gently cleaning the affected area with cool water to remove any irritants. Applying a pet-safe, hypoallergenic moisturizer can help soothe the skin and reduce discomfort. Make sure your pet's bedding and environment are clean to minimize exposure to potential allergens. While these steps can provide quick relief, continue observing your pet for persistent symptoms and consult a veterinarian if the itching does not improve. In summary, understanding the signs and symptoms of common pet health issues is essential for every pet owner. Early detection can make a significant difference in treatment outcomes and overall well-being. By staying observant and seeking veterinary advice promptly, you can help ensure your pet remains comfortable and healthy. Proactive care, including regular checkups and preventive measures, is the best way to support your pet's quality of life. Remember, attentive care today can lead to a happier, healthier tomorrow for your companion.